Hey you guys, so by the title of the video, you guys see that I will be doing another entrepreneur series, well another entrepreneur episode. So I decided to just show you guys how I do it because it could help someone. As you guys know, with the whole COVID-19, it is very hard to come by some Lysol, so I just had to use some multi surface spray. And these are all of the 25mm lashes that I have available, so I decided why not just put them all down. Y'all, these lashes are selling very quickly, so if you want to purchase, please do so. Right now I am having a Mother's Day sale until May 8th, so please shop. So yeah, y'all, these are all my lashes. These are the 25mm, as I stated. These are real mink lashes, and these are my boxes right there. Really pretty, holographic, especially with flash. Oh my god, y'all, so pretty. If y'all don't have me on Snapchat, y'all are missing out. Or Instagram, like y'all, Snapchat and Instagram seen this first, so please y'all follow me on both of those. Everything will be down below as listing all of my videos. So now I'm just basically fixing the boxes because, as you guys know, this is a new shipment, and I decided to just put them in there that day. And yeah, I decided why not record it, because who knows, like this could help someone. And these boxes were really easy to work with. They didn't give me pretty much any like crazy problems. So you just have the lash tray, and you just slide it inside of the lash box. Really simple. I'm gonna just shut up and let you guys see what is being done, and I'll come back when something new changes. Hey y'all, I'm back. If y'all hear anything, that's my sister's washing and dryer in the background. But right here, I'm just applying some lashes onto the lash tray because my 25mm foaming did not come with that, or my 3D mink. They came in other trays that I just don't like, so I just decided to keep it on as white. And yeah, I did change my gloves also, but yeah, that's besides the point. So now right here, I'm showing y'all how to use the label maker, but it's kind of, like the way I recorded it, y'all, I don't even know what I was thinking. But literally all you do is you type in whatever you want. So this lash was named Focus. So I typed in Focus. I clicked print. You guys seen the printing. And after you click print, it literally just prints, and you cut it on the side. It's like this big little clip that you just click on so that you can see that it is now cut evenly. And then after you do that, you just adhere it. You have to remove the two little sticky strips from the back of the label, and after that, it's good to go. So now I'm just showing, the process all over again. And yeah, so here I just click print because the name was already on there. And then I'm gonna like print out each one because when I try to print it out and you put in like a number, mine doesn't print. So maybe I was sent a older version. I'm not sure, but yeah, y'all, that's how I do it. I just print it out one by one, and literally it gets the job done. So now I'm just taking out the little sticky tabs, putting it onto the Lash tray, and then I put the Lash tray into the Lash box. So yeah, y'all, it was pretty simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any more video suggestions, whether it's business or just YouTube videos in general that you guys would like to see, because I will definitely take that into consideration and get that out for you guys. So like I said, I am having a Mother's Day sale. It is going to be until May 8th. So your lashes can get to your mothers or yourself. And like I said, shop, 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 because these lashes are selling out. I am on my second restock, and I want to thank everyone who has been purchasing, sharing, whatever you have been doing. I really, really appreciate it, because it is very, very noticed. See you guys.